Stop losing money on failed e-commerce ventures. Discover the secret to how I'm making $30,000 a month with dropship.io, the ultimate e-commerce tool. I had always dreamed of starting my own online business, but didn't know where to begin. That was until I discovered dropship.io, an innovative e-commerce tool that promised to help me achieve my dreams. I started by using the product search feature to find profitable products that were in high demand. I then optimized my pricing strategy using the pricing intelligence feature and found reliable suppliers who could fulfill my orders efficiently. As my business grew, I began using the multi-channel selling feature to expand my customer base and increase my sales. I also automated my dropshipping process using dropship.io's automation feature, which freed up my time to focus on growing my business. Within just a few months, my business had taken off. I was making $30,000 a month and had a loyal customer base that loved my products. I also automated my dropshipping process using dropship.io's automation feature, which freed up my time to focus on growing my business. Here's are the 7 steps I took to get me to $30K a month with dropship.io. 1. Find profitable products. Use dropship.io to search for products that are in high demand and have low competition. This will increase the likelihood of making a profit when you sell these products through your e-commerce business. 2. Price optimization. Use the pricing intelligence feature of dropship.io to optimize your product pricing strategy. This will help you increase your profit margins and stay competitive in the market. 3. Efficient order fulfillment. Dropship.io connects you with reliable suppliers who can fulfill your orders efficiently. This will save you time and money on inventory management and ship and sell your products on multiple e-commerce platforms. This will help you reach a wider audience and increase your sales. 5. Dropshipping automation. Dropship.io allows you to automate your dropshipping process, which means you can focus on growing your business while the platform takes care of order fulfillment and tracking. 6. Product research. Use dropship.io to research the latest trends and products in your niche. This will help you stay ahead of your competition and offer your customers the latest products. 7. Niche selection. Use the niche selection feature of dropship.io to find profitable niches that have high demand and low competition. This will help you find a profitable niche that aligns with your business goals. Follow these steps, take action, and you can be making $30K a month using this amazing tool. Dropship.io is a powerful tool that has been designed to help e-commerce businesses succeed in the highly competitive online marketplace. This innovative product search tool allows business owners to find top-quality, high-demand products that they can sell in their online store. Using dropshipping, business owners can easily search for products based on factors such as product type, country of origin, supplier location, and much more. Dropship.io is more than just a product research tool, it's a comprehensive platform that provides all the necessary tools to manage your online store in one place. With dropship.io, you can easily add products, manage inventory levels, and even fulfill customer orders with just a few clicks. This powerful tool also provides detailed insights into product availability, pricing, competitor research, and shipping, allowing where you're already an established online seller. Dropship.io can help you take your business to the next level. With its intuitive interface, powerful search capabilities, and comprehensive management features, dropship.io is the ultimate tool for e-commerce success. Get your free trial of dropship.io today.